Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the SUNISA Waterproof Mushroom Head Air Cushion Foundation Whitening BB Cream and TYA Girl 6155 Makeup Kit with 7 black makeup brushes. A 10-piece set that's got everything you need for a flawless look, all packed into one amazing combo. Let's dive in and see if it's worth the hype. First up, the packaging. It's sleek and practical with the SUNISA BB Cream in a chic cushion case and the TYA Girl Kit in a vibrant box, perfect for gifting or keeping your essentials handy. Starting with the SUNISA BB Cream, this 20-gram gem comes with a mushroom head applicator that's a game changer. I dipped it in water, it puffed up soft and bouncy, and applied the cream. Its lightweight blends like a dream and gives a natural whitening finish with solid coverage, hides my spots effortlessly. It's waterproof too. I tested it and it stayed put through sweat and splashes. Love that long-lasting oil control. Next, the TYA Girl 6155 kit. It's got 7 black makeup brushes that are soft and sturdy. No shedding here. I use the big one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow. They're perfect for beginners or pros. The eyeshadow palette has vibrant mattes and shimmers. I swatched a few and they're pigmented and blendable. A bit powdery but workable. The kit also includes a kajal, jet black and smudge proof. I lined my eyes and it lasted all day. The lipstick is creamy and bold. Paired it with the BB cream for a cohesive look. This combo is marketed for all skin types and delivers affordable, easy to use, and versatile. It's not luxury. The BB could be creamier, but for the price, it's a steal. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video with a full look using this set. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.